Basically, they'll launch the drone that they have with a unit that's affixed to it. It can carry about 450 balls. It's a plastic sphere that's filled with potassium permanganate powder. It's injected with ethylene glycol, which is common antifreeze. That process is a chemical reaction that takes about 30 seconds, somewhere in that range. And so as it drops from the drone, it's not burning. It begins to burn once it hits the ground. You can choose locations where you're actually dropping, and instead of just lighting a line of fire from the road, you put more balls out if you want the fire to burn less intensely. It seems counterintuitive, but those balls will start ignitions that burn together quicker, so the fire doesn't have a chance to get a head of steam running, so to speak. The more you spread the balls out and the fewer you put out there per acre, the more intense the fire gets before those burn together. So it really allows you to control the intensity of fire a lot better than most hand ignition techniques. This technology was extremely useful because we have very inaccessible terrain. It's very dangerous to put firefighters down in. In some places, we just won't put firefighters down in there. So that leaves you with the aerial ignition as one of the best options. Also, using an unmanned aircraft versus a manned aircraft, you're not accepting risk with people in the aircraft as well. So it's lots of things that has to do with firefighter safety. Because we have to introduce fire, but we do it under exacting conditions by trained people, and they do it very effectively.